Brad Hall here, and today I'm feeling just very excited because right next to me, it is a great shoe, the Yeezy 700 in the sun colorway. I'm gonna tell you all about this shoe. I've got some comparison shots with that Wave Runner, and then a little bit later, I tackle the question, is this one worth keeping? So stay tuned for that. The Yeezy 700, it is probably my favorite Yeezy model, so I'm very glad that it's making a return, and it is making its return in a huge way. This colorway is a peppy take on that Wave Runner. You can see those Wave Runner bits in the shoe. You've got that blue, you've got the green, you've got the black, you've got that little bit of 3M. Now what it looks like they've done with the Wave Runner is kind of dyed the midsole and the upper. It definitely makes me think of some of those dip dyed models. The midsole is a delicate orange, and then maybe with the way the light hits it, it does look like there's a bit of variation, some lighter spots on it. The yellow on the upper, depending on which material it's on, does have a different look too. The mesh, that is the lightest. The suede on the toe and on the heel, that is the richest. Now I did pull out a pair of Wave Runners to compare those Wave Runner colors. When they're next to each other, the green and the blue, those are totally identical. It's almost like they upcycled materials from the Wave Runner, used them on this new colorway. If that's the case, I love that they're making the most out of that material, not wasting it at all. So that is a very good thing. Down on the bottom, they were a little bit different. Not a major difference, but still worth pointing out. So this sun colorway, it is a total knockout in my book. I think it's gonna look really nice on foot, especially with denim. It's very wearable. Now, if you picked up a pair, maybe you're not sure what you want to do with them yet. Do you wear them right away? Maybe you sell them, use that money to buy one of those hot stocks, or maybe you just want to hold on to that money and be ready for the next big stock. On this next segment, I give you advice on what to do if you picked up this shoe.
Keep, sell, trade, bury, recycle, trash, or bronze.
Now, I thought about this a lot. It is one of my favorite models, and I do love this colorway, so I considered bronzing it. In the mock-up I made, I noticed a bronzed Yeezy 700 Sun. That starts to look like another earth tone Yeezy, so I decided against that option. My choice is keep. That is what I would pick. That is my show for today. Hope everyone is doing really, really well, and thanks so much for watching.